A tiny USB drive stores so much data, but what's inside it? Let's crack one open. Inside a USB flash drive, you'll find a NAND flash memory chip that stores data, a controller chip that manages data transfer, and a circuit board connecting everything. The durable plastic or metal casing protects these components. NAND memory is non-volatile, meaning your data stays safe even without power. It's a simple yet incredible piece of technology. That's the magic inside a USB drive. Like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.